Okay. Okay, I just started my live. Let me wait for students to join in. Because the just now live I had to end it because it was giving problem. Okay, hi Kirtana. Okay, now better? Is it better now? Just let me know if the link is now working. I mean, you can see the screen and everything. Yes, okay. Thank God. I don't know why sometimes this that's why usually this Thursday class teacher always have this problem of network and everything. Okay. Okay, we continue here. We stopped here at the mean here. Okay, as just now teacher was telling cikgu beritahu tadi, kita punya mean, variance dan sisihan piawai. This is what we're going to learn. These three things. Okay. So, what you all should take note is the formula. Make sure tahu cara nak guna formula. Okay. Contoh, let's see the first one. This is only for taburan binomial. Okay. Ini adalah untuk taburan binomial distribution. And this is used whenever you do the experiment for a big amount of times. Meaning that, like just now teacher tell you all, you do experiment, you throw the dice, okay, the dice, dadu, kita baling 30 kali. So that's a very big amount, right? Throwing the dice 30 times. So you use binomial. Other than that, sometimes we throw duit ceiling, coin. You will get heads or you will get tail. So between this will be like you throw maybe 100 times. So when you do big amount of number of times of experiment, that will go under binomial. Kita akan masuk dalam taburan binomial. Okay, clear? So you must know the difference. When teacher, I should use binomial. When teacher, I should use graph, the tree diagram. You must know the difference. Okay, let's see the formula. Kita tengok formula. Mean, okay, in bahasa is M-I-N, mean. Mean kita guna NP. So N is for what? I hope you all still remember. N is the number of times the trial. Berapa kali kita buat eksperimen. Bilangan. Okay, how many times? Berapa kali? Some can be 30 times, sometimes can be 25 times, like that. P ialah the probability of success. Okay, this one kita panggil kebarangkalian kejayaan in bahasa. Okay, kebarangkalian kejayaan. And what is Q? Q is your probability of failure. That means you fail means what is the probability? And in bahasa, we call this as kebarangkalian kegagalan. Okay. Can kebarangkalian kegagalan. Okay. So for now, what you need to know is N. Macam mana nak cari the N, how to find the N, how to find the P, how to find the Q. Okay, this part of the topic is actually very easy, but they can easily confuse you if you don't know how to find the information. Okay, if we don't know how to find the information. Okay, let's start with soalan satu. Okay, a football club organizes a practice session for trainees on scoring goals from penalty kicks. Okay, so they are doing what kind of experiment now? They are doing like penalty kick, and they want to see how many of them can score goal. So that's the experiment. Okay, each trainee takes 8 penalty. So dalam eksperimen ni, orang yang akan score goal, okay, ada dia boleh ambil 8 sepakan penalty, 8 penalty kicks. The probability, okay, kebarangkalian the trainee scores a goal from penalty kick is P. So your P here is the success. Okay, your kebarangkalian, kejayaan, success. And after the session, it is found that the mean number of goals for the trainee is 7.2. So mean they already give. Dah beri dah. Mean ialah 7.2. Find the value of P. Okay, mean, we know the formula for mean ialah N darab P, isn't it? Okay, so what you do, the 7.2 you ganti at the mean there. Do we know what is our N or not? Kita tahu N kita tak? Yes, we know our N because teacher told you all N is berapa kali, right? They do the thing, experiment. So, dekat sini berapa kali diorang buat sepakan penalti? 8 kali. 8 times they did the kick. So, that is your N here. Okay, so 8 times with P, darab dengan 8. So, you bring the 8 go there. You bahagi, so 7.2 bahagi 8. You get 0.9, 0.9. Okay, so dah dapat. So this one is just guna formula sahaja. If you pandai cari the information, maklumat, pandai to see which letter and everything, memang you won't get salah lah. Memang akan dapat betul. Okay ah? Okay, next one. Number 2. X is binomial random variable. Okay, X ialah taburan binomial. Di mana X binomial and P dekat sini. Okay. If the mean and standard deviation are 90 and 3/7. Okay, teacher tulis dulu I write down first. Mean ialah 90. Standard deviation, sisihan piawai, ialah 3/7. Find the value of P and N. Cari nilai P dan N. How do I find the P? How do I find the N? Apa yang kita perlu guna? Use formula. Okay. Tulis dulu. What is the formula of mean there? Apakah formula untuk mean? NP kan? Okay, so you write down first. NP equals to 90. Tulis dulu. NP sama dengan 90. Tapi can we selesaikan? Can we solve? You cannot solve. So since you cannot solve, you write first this as equation 1. Persamaan 1. Tulis dulu macam tu. Okay, because you cannot solve what. So you just leave it first. Okay, standard deviation, apakah formula dia? Punca kuasa NPQ, square root of NPQ. Teacher, I don't remember. Okay, please look back at the thing teacher gave you here. Because anyhow, don't worry, SPM, they will give you the formula. Okay, so you don't have to worry too much, but it's good to memorize. Okay, kalau hafal bagus. So, NPQ sama dengan 3/7 kan? Okay. The square root, the punca kuasa, you pindahkan, go there first. You shift it first. Okay, so if I shift, what happens? Dia akan jadi apa? Itu ialah square root. Square root Square root actually ialah kuasa 1/2 kan? Power of 1/2. So if you pindah, go there will be power 2, isn't it? Okay, so you put in bracket like this and then you put power 2 because you shifting that. Pindah ke sebelah sana. Okay, once now dah pindah ke sebelah sana already, can you use your calculator and calculate first? Okay, 3/7 kuasa 2. Okay, I'm getting here 63. 63. 63, anything can solve here? Tak boleh kan? So, write this as persamaan 2. Write this as equation 2 first. Okay, following So, from here only now we must try to solve. We got persamaan 1, we got persamaan 2. Okay, let's try to solve. Kita guna kaedah penggantian. We use substitution. Okay, you ganti 1 ke dalam 2. Substitute the first equation into the second equation. This is NP, isn't it? So you must substitute here. So 90Q equals to 63. Okay, what we get for Q? Apa yang kita dapat untuk Q? 63 bahagi 90. Okay, teacher's getting 0.7. Are you also getting 0.7? Okay, dapat 0.7. So, but the question is asking for P, isn't it? How to get P? You must remember this another one more formula. Remember or not? Originally like this. Teacher, but why 90Q? Okay, because remember this is NP, isn't it? So this NP is what value? It's 90, correct. So the 90 I ganti inside here. NP that. That's why it's 90Q. Because teacher substituting the whole thing what. I sedang ganti ke dalam dua what. Can? Okay. So now from here we get the Q already ya. Kita dah dapat Q. So bila dah dapat Q, barulah kita boleh cari P. Okay, how to cari the P? You must use this formula. Go back to the original Q. Q, this one, how teacher know? 1 minus P. This one I taught you all the last class. Going back up here. There, this one. Teacher got give you all the notes. Cikgu ada beri nota dekat sini. Q is 1 minus P. That's our notes previously. Okay. So, turun balik sini. Okay. This is the formula 1 minus P. So, how to get P? You take 1 minus Q. Okay, so teacher ambil 1 tolak 0.7. So, dapatlah jawapan 0.3. So, P get ready, but belum dapat the N. Have to find the N also. Okay, how to find the N? Kita ganti, kita kena buat ganti. Ganti the P ke dalam persamaan 1. You ganti, you substitute into the first equation. So the first equation is like this, isn't it? So the P you write 0.3. Then you get the N. 90 divided 0.3, teacher is getting 300. So here our N is 300. Okay? Okay, so now this is how we selesaikan. This is how we solve soalan, and usually this soalan will be paper 1. Okay, like this soalan is usually kertas 1. Okay, let's look at next question. So today we're going to really polish and brush up all these binomial untuk mean, variance, okay, all these. Okay, after this onwards, please pay attention because the type of soalan is going to be lain sikit. Okay, it's going to be berbeza sikit, so you have to like understand lah how the question works. Okay, I give you all some time to copy. Wait, I share this link into this one group first. Okay. Number 3 kita pergi kepada number 3. Okay, there are 6,000 families. Ada 6,000 keluarga. Okay, in a district, dalam satu daerah lah. Okay, it is found that 2 out of 3 families have computer. 2 daripada 3 keluarga, 2 out of 3 ada computer, got computer. Okay, in the house. Find the mean. Okay, kita kena cari mean, which is NP, and standard deviation, sisihan piawai. Kita kena cari this one, NPQ. For the number of families having a computer at home, yang ada computer dekat rumah. Okay, first step, kita identify dulu what is our N and what is our P, what is our Q. Let's kenal pasti first. Okay, what is our N here? Where do I see my N from? Kita kena cari dulu N daripada mana. This is our N. The experiment they do with 6,000 families. What? So always find your N like based on berapa eksperimen diorang buat. How many experiments? So here got 6,000 experiments done because of 6,000 families. Okay. 2 out of 3 ialah success. Probability of success. That means when they go to all the houses, they see, oh, 2/3 from the family got computer at home, like that. So this will be kebarangkalian kejayaan. Okay, can you straight away find the Q? Boleh kan? Q does not teacher told you the formula already what? 1 minus P. So 1 minus 2/3, you will get 1/3. Dapat 1/3. Okay, from here now let's find the mean. Kita carilah mean. So N kita ialah 6,000. P ialah 2/3. Okay, 6,000 times 2/3. 4,000. So your mean is 4,000. Okay. Next, standard deviation. Sisihan piawai. N is 6,000. P is 2/3. Q is 1/3. So 6,000 times 2/3 times 1/3. Square root the answer. You can give your answer in decimal dalam perpuluhan. You get 36.51. Okay, you can give your answer in decimal. 36.51. Okay. So far, okay, ada soalan? Kalau tak ada, if don't have, okay, we continue with the next soalan. Soalan seterusnya. Nombor 4. Okay, let's understand number 4. Okay, let's understand number 4. A teacher, seorang guru found that 90% of the students who took maths, passed in the SPM examination. Okay, the cikgu lah, the school cikgu dapati ada 90% yang pass exam maths. Okay, if 30 students are chosen at random, ada 30 pelajar yang dipilih. Okay, dipilih for what? This is because they want to do the experiment, right? So they choose 30 students. Okay, they choose 30 students to do the experiment. Okay, find the probability, cari kebarangkalian, not more than 2 students fail. Tak lebih daripada 2 pelajar gagal at maths. Okay, follow teacher carefully. Okay, follow me carefully. 90% here pass. Isn't it? 90% lulus. Correct? 90% lulus. So lulus, pass, lulus. This is your P. Okay, but you cannot write in percentage. You must write in perpuluhan. So you change the 90/100, tukar dia kepada perpuluhan, dapat 0.9. This is your P. Okay, kebarangkalian kejayaan. Okay, P dah dapat. 30 students. 30 students is how many students they have when they do experiment with. So they did with 30. So your N is 30. Okay. N you got, P you got, Q also can find. Just take 1 tolak 0.9. Dapatlah 0.1. Okay. Now, see the question. The question asks us, soalan tanya kepada kita. Okay. Apa yang ditanya? Dia tanya, cari kebarangkalian, find the probability, not more than, tak lebih 2 pelajar. Tak lebih means, your X is kurang dan sama dengan 2, isn't it? Tak lebih what? Not more. So it must be less than. Betul tak? Must be less lah. Less than 2 students. So less than 2 students means maybe exactly 2 students fail. Correct. This one is we talking about fail, gagal. Exactly 1 student fail. Can or not? Can. Exactly 0 students fail. Can or not? Okay, teacher want you to understand this part very well. Fail. We are not talking about fail. So maybe 2 students fail, 1 student fail, 0 students fail. So you must know your X very well. Kena tahu kita punya X dulu. So since now you know your X, okay, please take note. We are calculating for fail, gagal. Tapi kita punya P, our P is for pass. So you cannot use that 0.9. Kita tak boleh guna 0.9. We have to tukar. Now we have to tukar our P for fail. So fail is what? Fail is 0.1. Because Q is fail what? Correct or not? So you have to switch. P you make it fail. Q you terbalikkan, make it 0.9. The pass. Because why teacher? Why you changing this? I changing because my question is asking for fail. So if asking for fail means your P also must follow the fail one. Kena follow, kena ikut yang fail. Tak boleh tulis yang pass. Kalau tulis yang pass, then you will get wrong already. Okay, this part, please let me know if it's clear or not. This one, most students will feel that teacher is confusing. But if now what I said is clear, can you let me know it's clear? Why teacher change the P and Q? If clear, why kenapa cikgu tukar the P and the Q, do let me know. Because this part is very important to understand. No teacher, can you repeat? Okay. Again, one more time. Okay. We know 90%, 90% dah pass. Correct? 90% is for pass. So, when I write my P, bila cikgu tulis P kan, my probability of success. Sebab pass kan, kita ingat dia ialah success. So, kita tulislah 0.9. But our Q, our fail is how many? 0.1. How teacher get 0.1? Because 1 minus 0.9. 1 tolak 0.9. Okay. This is pass. This is fail. Okay, but now, your question, soalan kita tanya tentang kebarangkalian student yang fail. Our question is asking probability of students who fail, gagal. So if they are asking about fail means you cannot use the P for the past one. You have to use the fail one. So you have to change. Your P now must be 0.1. Your Q will be 0.9. Ah, because you must follow, your question is asking for fail one. So that's why we change the P and Q. You must know when to change. You change when following the question. You tukar the P and Q ikut soalan. Dekat sini kan soalan tanya tentang student yang fail. Jadi P saya akan jadi fail, Q saya akan jadi pass. We change according to the question. Okay? Okay teacher. Okay. So now from here we can find one by one lah this one. Okay, kita akan guna formula taburan binomial. I hope you remember the formula, which was, if you don't remember, then please have a formula book with you. This was the formula, taburan binomial. Okay, this one, we're going to use this. So I'll just write down here also for you all to see. N C R P R Q N minus R. This is the formula. Okay, so now we're going to write for the X equals to 2 first. Okay, N is 30, isn't it? Okay, 30 C R kita ialah all this is our R. R. Okay, so now we're doing for the dua first. So 30 C dua. P is follow which one? Follow this one. Follow this fail one because now we're calculating for fail. Okay, 0.1. R is 2. Q is 0.9. Then N minus R. So 30 minus 2, 28. Plus, excuse me, this one. X equals to 1. So 30 C1, 30 C1, 0.1 kuasa 1, 0.9 kuasa 30 minus 1. So 29. Plus, the last one is for this. 30 C0, 0.1 kuasa 0, 0.9. 30 minus 0 is 30. Okay, now we calculate one by one. Don't rush. Okay, jangan terburu-buru. Just use your calculator. Calculate one by one. Okay, let's start. The first one. 30 C2 times 0.1 square times 0.9 power 28. Okay, the first one I'm getting 0.2277. Okay, you can take 4 tempat perpuluhan. No need to go more than that. Okay, 4 tempat perpuluhan is fine. Okay, next one. 30 C1 darab 0.1 kuasa 1 darab 0.9 power 29. 0.1413. Okay, last one. 30 C0 times 0.1 power 0 times 0.9 power 30. 0.0424. Use calculator one by one. Okay, then we tambah all this. Dapatlah 0.4114. Your probability that not more than 2 students fail at maths, okay, tak lebih lah daripada 2 pelajar fail, 0.4114. You get 0.4114. Okay, you have to key in one by one in your calculator for the beginning. If this is like your new first time you're doing this. Okay, hopefully, okay, you guys also got the same answer using the calculator. Okay, I'm going to go to the next question. Soalan seterusnya. Okay, the more you practice, don't worry. The more you keep practicing, buat latihan this kind of soalan, you memang will start understanding, how it works, why it's like this, kenapa macam ni, and everything. Okay, let's try soalan 5. Okay, use what we did just now. Follow like how we did just now. Okay. In a box of oranges, dalam satu kotak yang ada orange, it is found that for every 10 orange, untuk setiap 10 orange, there are 2 rotten orange. Ada 2 yang sudah rosak. Okay, if a sample, so sample selalunya is your N lah. How many orange they use to do the experiment. So here they use 7. So your N ialah 7. Find the probability exactly 3 rosak. 3 rosak. Okay. Now your question is asking for rosak, isn't it? So you kenalah cari P. P kita kena yang rosak. You must write for the rosak one. The rosak rotten one. Okay. Rotten is 2, right? 2 out of how many rotten? Out of 10. Okay, so you can write your P is 0.2 also can. You want to write pecahan also can. Fraction also can. Both ways boleh. Okay. P I know already. Can I find my Q or not? Can. Use the formula 1 minus 0.2. 1 tolak 0.2. You get 0.8. So remember, now you follow your question. Your question asking for rosak, rotten. So your P also, you write the rosak one, rotten one. Okay, let's do A. Exactly 3 rosak already. So exactly means X sama dengan 3. Your X is equals to 3, because 3 only rosak what. So let's do the formula. Okay, let's masukkan in this formula. So the first one, N ialah 7. C, what is your R? R is always this thing. The one that the X. The X is always the R. So 7 C3. P is 0.2. R is 3. Q is 0.8. N minus R, 7 minus 3, 4. Okay, let's masukkan all these in the calculator. Dapat 0.1147. Can I write 7? Because 4 decimal place. Yes, 0.1147. 0.1147. This is what you get, the probability if 3 rosak already. 3 dah rosak kan? So inilah kebarangkalian 3 orange rosak. Okay. B. Follow closely, okay? Follow closely. You will understand the big concept, the entire concept of this, okay? You just follow closely. At least, this kind of words all are very, very SPM questions, they like to use this word. Sekurang-kurangnya. At least. So at least means like this, isn't it? At least. Lebih besar and sama dengan. More than and equals to is at least. Okay? At least 4 oranges are not rotten. Not means tak rosak. That means it's baik. It's good ones. So now you cannot use this P already because that P is for rosak. You now need to change the P. Kena tukar P kita. P kita take the good one. Good one is this, isn't it? 0.8. So P you write 0.8. This is the good one. The good oranges. The Q will be the bad oranges, which is 0.2. Now you must change. Why teacher change? Because the question are asking for the good one. If the question asks for the bad one, teacher won't change my P. Okay, I won't change my P. I will maintain. But because it's asking for good, so you change the P. You just change very easy. You terbalikkan with the Q only. You swap with the Q. That's all. So you don't like there's not much for you to worry lah. Okay, like how teacher is suddenly very different type. No, it won't be like that. You just tukar with the P and Q will change place. That's all usually. Okay. So if greater than 4 means, okay, 4, that means how many are good? Okay. 4 oranges good, correct. 5 oranges can be good, correct. 6 oranges can be good. 7 oranges can be good. Stop. Why stop at 7? Because our experiment they do with 7 orange only what? Kita punya eksperimen dia buat dengan sampel 7 orange sahaja kan? Jadi stop dekat 7. No need to continue until 10. Some students confuse teacher. Here got 10 what? Why you didn't take until 10? No, don't take. That one is not a sample. They didn't do experiment with 10. They do experiment with 7 only. So that's why you stop at 7. Okay, clear? Now, still use the same formula. Okay, it's going to be long, but don't get malas, lazy to write down. Write everything one by one carefully. Let's start with this. This is all your R. Don't forget, here all your X is your R. Itu semua lah R kita. Okay, I'm starting with this. The first one, X sama dengan 4. So, N is 7, 7 C 4. Okay, P here is 0.8. Okay, 4, 0.2, 7 minus 4 ialah 3. Okay, plus. The second one is for the 5. Untuk yang 5 7 C 5, 0.8, 5, and then here will be 0.2, 2. Okay, plus 7 C 6, 7 C 6. Okay, 0.8, 6, 0.2, 1. Because 7 minus 6. Then the last one, 7 C 7, 0.8, 7, 0.2, 7 minus 7, 0. Okay, let's calculate one by one. Okay, 7C. Take your time. Do not rush. Jangan terburu-buru. Buat slow-slow. Asalkan dapat betul. That is your goal. Mesti dapat betul kan? Takkanlah buat susah payah dapat salah. 0.1146. That means I write this as 47. Okay. I bundarkan to 4 decimal place. 7C5 times 0.85 darab with 0.2 square, I get 0.2753. 0.2753. Please do together with me, yeah. Don't wait for teacher's answer because you also must learn to key in your calculator. Especially if you use this old calculator, just be careful. Okay, then the third one, 7C6 darab 0.8 power of 6 darab with 0.2 power of 1, 0.3670. And the last one, 7C7 darab with 0.8 power 7 times with 0.2 power 0. So I'm getting 0.2097. Okay, let's plus all this. Kita tambahkan semua ni. 2753, 0.3670 plus 0.2097. Oh, 0.0967. 4 tempat perpuluhan is good enough already. 4 decimal places is okay. Don't give less lah, okay? 4 decimal place, good enough. So far so good. So far following. Too much. Because this part of the topic, it requires you to just think a little bit when you are solving. That's all only. But this part is actually easy. You know why teacher say easy? Sebab you got formula. So whenever you have formula, right, it's easy actually. Okay, is there anything you want to ask before teacher go to the next question? Like those of you who are watching. Okay, let's wait. Maybe you all are copying down. Okay. Can we go to the next soalan? Okay, boleh pergi soalan seterusnya. Okay. Okay, soalan 6. The probability that it will rain on a certain day is 2/5. Find the probability that in a certain week it will rain exactly 3 days. Okay. Before you start finding, sebelum kita cari kebarang kalian, kita kena identify. We must identify our N, we must identify our P and our Q first. Okay. Apakah N kita? Apakah P kita? Apakah Q kita? What's our N, P, Q? If like you are watching this right now, you want to give a try, just like let me know what, because by now if you can analyze the soalan correctly, it's good. But maybe if you still feel confused, this is your chance to try. You can see how you can get or not. What is the N? What is the P? What is the Q? Anyone want to try or not? 2/5 is P. Okay, very good. So kita nak say that the probability will rain. Hujan is 2/5. Okay, good. How about the Q? So if P you got ready, Q can get, isn't it? Take 1 minus 2/5. Satu tolak Yes, correct. 3 over 5. Okay, very good. 2 we got ready. N is 7. Very good. Correct. Why 7? Kenapa 7 cikgu? Because in 1 week we got 7 days. So when you do the experiment, you can only use 7 hari. What? 7 days only, right? Yes, a week. Correct. Very good. Okay. Now let's do A ya. Cari kebarangkalian akan hujan untuk 3 hari. For 3 days. So your probability X sama dengan 3. Okay, so this is your R. Okay, that is your R. So let's tulis the formula. Teacher write back for you all here. Until you memorize, you just keep writing back the formula. Automatically you will start memorizing. Okay. N ialah 7, C 3, P is 2 over 5, 3, Q is 3 over 5, 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, let's key in calculator what we get. Okay, teacher get, you can write in pecahan. You can get 168 over 125 or you just write in perpuluhan 1.344. Okay, 1.344. That's your A. Next one. Okay. Next one. Correct, teachers one. 7C3 times. Sorry. My answer is not correct. I put here 2 over 3. It's actually 2 over 5. This is the correct answer. 0.2903. This is what you're supposed to get. I hope you got the correct answer. 0.2903. I key in wrongly in my calculator. This is why it's important to, always check with your calculator. Okay, B. B, find the probability it will rain for not more than 5 days. Tak lebih daripada 5 hari. Okay. Not more. Tak lebih ya. Not more means must be smaller than equal to 5. Because not more what? Tak lebih. Okay. So what days will that be? It will be 5 days. Then smaller than 5, 4 days. 3 days. 2 days. 1 day. 0 days. 0 also must include, maybe don't rain at all. It will rain for 0 days. Okay. Now, teacher want to guide you all something here. Okay. Kalau you want to do everything one by one in your calculator and write down, boleh. Can? Okay. I show you the normal working first. We do one by one. Okay. So this first one here for 5, 7C5. Okay. 2/5. 5. 3/5. 2. Plus 7C4. 2 over 5, 4, 3 over 5, 3. Plus, okay, just keep going until you do the 0. 7C4 done already. Okay, 3, 2 over 5, 3, 3 over 5, 4. Plus 7C2, 2 over 5, 2, 3 over 5, 5. Plus 7C1. Okay, I need space. 7C1, 2/5, 1, 3/5, 6. Okay, and then one more last one. Okay, can you see that this is actually taking time, isn't it? Because we're doing one by one here. There is another shortcut, but I'll show after this. We do the normal way first. Okay, let's calculate one by one. So let's see. Take your time, calculate first. See getting the same answer as teacher or not. Okay, see whether you're getting the same answer as teacher. Huh? 774. And then just change to 4 and change to 3. Dapatlah 0.1935. Okay, tambah lagi 7 si 3 and 4. So kita dapat 0.2903 tambah lagi 7 si 2 7 si 2. This one is 2 and then that side that thing is 5. So I'm getting 0.2613. Okay, I bundarkan to 4 decimal place. Okay, 2 done ready. Sound 1. 7C1. It sounds like C kan? Like C1. Okay, 1. And then that is 6. So I'm getting 0.1306. Tambah lagi the last one, 7C0. Lepas tu kuasa 0 dengan kuasa 7. Dapatlah 0.02799. Okay, we plus all of these. Okay, dapat jawapan 0.9811. Okay, this is the answer teacher is getting when I plus all this. Now, do you want to know the shortcut? Because there is a shortcut for this. The shortcut is, okay, if you see long plus like this, ada tambah yang banyak, okay, jangan guna tambah like this one by one. What you do? Okay, this is the question, right? Smaller than 5. Okay. So what number is bigger than 5 here? Apa yang lebih besar? Sini ada kurang what less than 5 days, right? Less than 5 days. So what you do? You take the more than 5 days. What numbers are more than 5 days? More than 5 days will be 6 days and 7 days. Correct. 6 days and 7 days. This is what it's mean, right? If more than 5 days. You do what? You take 1 minus this. This is like another formula for you now. Meaning that kita nak cari the smaller than. But because everything be plus taking a lot of time, so you do like this. 1 minus x bigger than 5. If you minus the bigger than 5, you will get all the smaller numbers. This is for you to save time lah. Okay, so you can do like this. This is 7C6. Okay, you just check whether you're getting the same answer or not. Tapi if you feel that teacher, I feel this is confusing lah, I want to stick to that long method, please stick to the long method because as long you get correct, okay, just make sure you cepatkan your masa. Okay, your timing to find the answer must be fast because SPM you don't have much timing, isn't it? Okay, wait, let me calculate. 7 C6 times 2 over 5 power of 6 times 3 over 5 power of 1. Okay, I get 0.01720 plus, okay, the other one more. So this one got 2 only, I need to plus. Itu kosong. Okay, there is 0. I'm getting a 0 point, okay, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6, 3, 8. Okay, so you plus first inside the kurungan here. You plus first inside this bracket here. Okay, 0.01720, then you tolak. 1 minus 0.1888384. Yes, we get the same answer. Okay. So, if you can do shortcut, go for the shortcut. If you can understand this shortcut. Because shortcut is not that, not susah pun. Okay. Just take satu, tolak the bigger numbers. Can So this is how you brush your skill so that in SPM you boleh jimatkan your masa. It's very important to jimat masa, right, in SPM sebab paper 1 ada 2 jam only, paper 2 got 2 jam 30 minit. Those of you who doing your trial now, you should be experiencing that, correct? Okay. So now teacher is going to leave y'all with the last, there's one more last question, right? That one I'm going to give y'all as homework, but I will give y'all the final answer. Teacher akan beri jawapan terakhir so that you can check whether you get or not the jawapan yang betul. Okay. Nombor 7 this one. Soalan A. Okay, yang ni I give you the clue, you must use tree diagram. Boleh guna tree diagram, pokok. Okay, you can use pokok. Okay. Soalan A, you should get the answer 3/4. Okay. And soalan B, you will get the mean. Okay, mean akan dapat 15. Standard deviation, sisihan piawai akan dapat 1.936. This should be the answers lah. So, do give a try. Actually, we finished already. 5.2 dah habis. Okay, we finished already. And there is actually more questions behind. But teacher just would like to, I'll stop until here. Because what y'all should do right now, okay, this is what teacher suggests now from 5 student. You have your revision book, right? Okay, based on whatever you learn today, do the questions in your revision book, see boleh dapat tak based on how you learn today. Macam mana cara kita belajar hari ni. If you can do, that means you understood this taburan binomial already, the mean and everything, how to use the formula. Okay, Okay, so we stop until here. So those of you having your admath trial, all the best. And okay, do follow teacher on TikTok because teacher is posting all the trial questions and together with the jawapan, answer step by step. I'm teaching that in the TikTok. So you can go view all the Putra. I'm doing Putrajaya paper. Okay, after this I'll do Selangor paper. I'll do state by state. So you can go and see how cara nak jawab the soalan. Okay, can So go and see cara nak jawab. Go and follow teacher on TikTok. To share with your friends. Okay. Spread more kindness to everyone. So I'll see y'all next week. Okay, have a good night. Study smart. Take care. Good night.